Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to archive and unarchive Instagram post. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open your Instagram application and go to your Insta profile, and as you can see, here's some post on my profile, and right now I'm going to archive this post. So after opening the photo, click on this three dot icon and click on archive. And now here we can see the post is archived now. And now let's see how to unarchive post on Instagram. So click on this three line icon and click on archive and click on stories archive and select here post archive. And after that, and here you'll find your all the archive post. So click on the post and click on this three dot icon, and from here click on show on profile, and that's it. This is how we can archive and unarchive post on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.